everyone, hello my creative friends. I'm going to tell you a beautiful story. Before the world learned to rush, before machines learned to copy, before perfection became plastic, there were hands that believe in creating, not producing. That was the beginning of craft, where craft is born. Craft is born in silence, not in factories, not under pressure, but in quiet corner of homes where ideas breathe slowly. A small table, simple tools, a heart full of patience. Craft begins where time is respected. Every craft starts with a feelings, sometimes joy, sometimes pain, sometimes hope. A woman stitches to calm her thoughts. A man carves to remember his roots. A child creates without fear of mistakes. Craft listen, craft heals. Hands that make craft carries a story no words can tell. They shake with nervous excitement, the pause when unsure. They smile when creation feels right. Each cut, knotted strokes, or shape is a conversation between heart and material. Craft does not hurry. It reminds us that beauty takes time. The rushes pieces breaks. A patient piece task. Craft teach us that slowly down is not weakness, is it wisdom. Craft respect nature. It uses what already exists. It transforms waste into wonder. It gives old things a second life. Paper becomes art, wood becomes warmth, fabric became comfort. Craft whispered, nothing is useless, everything deserves a chance. Craft turns houses into homes. A home filled with craft feels different, not perfect, not matching, but alive. A handmade wall hanging, a clay pot, a woven basket. They carry fingerprints, not barcodes. And that makes all the difference. Craft is not about perfection. Craft allows mistakes, a crooked line, an uneven edge, a different shade. And suddenly the piece becomes unique. Craft teach us to accept flaws in art and in ourselves. For many, craft is survival. For some, it is freedom. For others, it is identity. It gives confidence to shy hands, purpose to quiet mind, and dignity to honest work. Craft turns passion into possibility. What craft really teach us? Craft teach us to focus, to feel, to fail and try again, to respect effort, to value handmade over mass made. In a noisy world, craft is soft voice that still get hurt. Even today, when the screens glow brighter than sunset, craft survive because humans still crave what feels real, something made with care, something imperfect, something human. Craft connects past to present. Craft is not about selling, not about trends, not about like. Craft is about expression. It is quite rebellion against hurry, against waste, against forgetting who we are. So next time you create something, pause, feel the material, trust your hands, enjoy the process because craft is not just what you make, it is what it makes within you. Hope you enjoying this video, these crafting ideas, very beautiful. Our channel give you a many stories ideas, very beautiful. So stay tuned with us, go there and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Have a very nice and very good day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Wishing you a very happy festival days. Crafting ideas. Keep crafting, keep doing something creative, something beautiful, and you with your inner creative artist. Hope you enjoying these ideas and designs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your opinion is very meaningful for us. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Have a very nice and very good day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Hello everyone. Hello my creative friends. I'm going to tell you a beautiful story. Before the world learned to rush, before machines learned to copy, before perfection became plastic, there were hands. Hands that believe in creating, not producing. That was the beginning of craft, where craft is born. Craft is born in silence, not in factories, not